Hey everybody, YouTube, this is Kareem Mack, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade pecan butter cookies. We're going to start by toasting the pecans. This is one large bag of pecans. And we'll put a little bit of salt on it, and we're going to bake it at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. This is optional. Next, we're going to put this in the food processor after it's toasted, and then we're going to close it up and blend it for about 6 minutes. Stopping it about every 2 minutes. And be sure you scrape it down the sides like this. As you can see, it's going by a lot faster. It's not quite there yet, but we're getting close. This is what it should look like. A very smooth consistency. And that's what we'll put in a bowl and cover it up so we can use it later. Next, we'll add 2 full sticks of unsalted butter, room temperature. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of Pat's brown sugar, and then we're going to mix it until it's well blended. And to that, we'll add 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then we'll continue mixing it. And to that, we're going to add 2 cups of pecan butter, 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I use Pecan Himalayan salt for this. You can use any salt you want, though. And then once again, we're going to mix it until it's well blended together. Two and a half cups of all-purpose flour. And slowly mix this up until it's well incorporated. Then we'll cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. And as we're going to form these into a ball, I used about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of it. We'll bake at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. After they're cool, just put it on a plate like this. And this is how yours should look like. This was a very delicious recipe. What you can also do is put it in a 9-inch cake pan and bake it for about 15 minutes. You could also even add chocolate chunks to it, about 2 cups of it. And the recipe will be in the bottom of the description, so give it a try.